world, welcome to Salesforce training. Today we are talking about the different relationship types. Relationship type number 1, the lookup relationship. A lookup relationship is kind of like a loose friendship relationship. There is no parent required, no impact on security or access. A child can absolutely live without a parent. You can go multiple layers deep, and you can have up to 40 parents. Unfortunately, roll-up summary fields are not allowed. Lookup relationships can be kind of thought of like Mr. and Mr. Potato Head. Like Mr. and Mr. Potato Head, objects in a lookup relationship are not dependent on each other. They can totally survive on their own. And like Mr. and Mr. Potato Head, who have the unique ability to detach bodies parts and then spread them wide and far, objects in a lookup relationship can display fields through multiple layers. Relationship type number 2, master detail. A master detail relationship is where the detail or the child object is totally dependent on the master. The child inherits all of its sharing settings from the parent. You can traverse up to 3 layers deep, and a standard object cannot be a child if the master or parent object is a custom object. A child can have only 2 parents, but roll-up summary fields are totally okay. A lookup field on the page layout is required, and we create the relationship from the child object. Bo Peep and her sheep are perfect examples of the master detail relationship. Bo is the master or the parent, and the sheep are the detail or the child objects. Bo Peep's sheep are completely reliant on Bo Peep for everything. If she goes, they go. In the same way, if the parent goes in a master detail relationship, the detail goes too. Bo Peep also happens to have 3 sheep, or at least 3 sheep heads, and master detail relationships can only go up to 3 layers deep. Handy. Bo Peep also knows everything about her sheep, including how many there are at any given time, almost like a roll-up summary field that displays a value on the master record based on what's going on in the detail records below. Relationship type number 3, indirect. An indirect relationship links an external child object to a parent, standard, or custom object in Salesforce. This is a lot like Woody and Forky, where Woody is the internal parent standard object and Forky is the external child object. Relationship type number 4, the external relationship. External relationships are like the inverse of an indirect relationship. It links an internal child standard or custom object to an external parent object. For example, if the claw machine is like Salesforce, then the aliens inside it are like the child objects of Salesforce, and Buzz Lightyear coming in is the parent external object. And relationship type number 5, hierarchical relationships. A hierarchical relationship is a special type of Salesforce relationship that's only available for user objects. For example, you can use a custom hierarchical relationship to search for a user's manager or subordinate. A hierarchical relationship is best thought of a way to organize and show a company's organizational structure, how everyone relates to everyone else. Toy Story, although 100% a team, has a definite hierarchical structure. Buzz and Woody lead at the top, followed by an executive team. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head, Jessie, Bullseye, Rex, Little Bo Peep, followed by the general staff. Slinky Dog, Sarge and a bucket of soldiers, Lenny the binoculars, and more. I hope that was really informative for you guys and a little bit of fun on a very classic and old topic in Salesforce. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you guys back here for our next Salesforce training video.